Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Toyota RAV4. First, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is active. For safety, please park your RAV4 before beginning this process. Now, on your car's infotainment screen, locate and select the Setup button. This will open the main settings menu where we can begin the pairing process. It's a straightforward method. Once in the Setup menu, you'll see several options. Tap on Bluetooth to proceed. Next, select Add New Device from the Bluetooth menu. Your RAV4 will then search for available devices. On your phone, select your RAV4 when it appears. A pairing code will display on both screens. Confirm they match to establish the connection. This step is crucial for security. After confirming the pairing code, your phone and RAV4 are connected. Your car may ask to sync your contacts and messages. Allow this for full functionality. Now, it's a good idea to test the connection. Try playing some audio from your phone or making a quick hands-free call. Adjust the volume levels on both your phone and the car's system to find your preferred sound. Enjoy your new connection. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the RAV4 infotainment system often resolves minor glitches. You might also consider deleting any old, unused Bluetooth pairings from your car's memory to ensure a clean connection. For more great tips and deals, including those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the description below this video. We've got some excellent resources there for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.